friends, this is Amanda with Happy Hoppas. I am so excited to be showing you Chromatics 4.0 by JuJuBe. This is Lilac and it is absolutely gorgeous. The JuJuBe community was asking JuJuBe for like a lavender light purple and they delivered. It is stunning. It has this really pretty light pink rose gold hardware. I have not seen it on any of the other JuJuBe releases yet. So Chromatics 4.0 will come in two colors. This is Lilac, and then there's Indigo, which I will do in a separate video. And it releases April 13th at 9 a.m. I had to think there for a second. So April 13th, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And yeah, so let's hop into it. So JuJuBe was nice enough to send me the Lilac in a BRB. If you've been following me for a while, you know the BRB was my very first JuJuBe bag and I fell in love with it. I love this bag. It's gorgeous. So the BRB is a backpack. It does have the memory foam straps, which makes it really comfortable to wear all day long. And then it does have the back panel is mesh, so it's breathable, as well as the inside of the straps, which I really love. It does have two bottle pockets on either side, and they do expand. It does come with a change pad. Oops, wrong zipper. It's on this side. The change pad is right here. And again, look how beautiful that color is. The change pad is memory foam. And then the interior is this really light champagne color. It is absolutely gorgeous. The pairing of the interior and the exterior colors are just, oh, perfection. So that's the change pad. It does have a zipper up here. And I'll do a packing video at the end too, so you see how I pack it up. And then you have the front compartment, which just flaps open with a magnet. And then there's like a little clear window right there if you want to put pictures or passes or anything there. And then you have your mommy pocket, and this folds down. It is gusseted on the side, so it doesn't just flap all the way down. So you have your sunglass holder, your key leash. Again, if you've been following me, you know I love the key leash. A small adjustable, it's kind of adjustable pocket right here, and then a mesh pocket down here, and that goes the full length of the mommy pocket. Right, and then in the main compartment, and I love that it just flaps down, you have these two straps here, which a lot of people use for wipes. And then you have this main mesh pocket back here. And then that's the depth of the BRB. And then on the front, you have one big zippered mesh pocket, which is amazing. All right. So, oh, and then it does have D-rings on the sides, so you can hang it from your stroller if you need to. So let's pack this up. I'm gonna kind of pack it just for like an everyday outing with me and the kids. So let's start with masks. I have two masks from JuJuBe, a little one and a big one. And we're gonna put that in this main compartment right here, this front pocket, easy access. And then let's pack up the mommy pocket. All right, so I have my sunglasses in a hard case in there. So my sunglasses are right there. My keys, and again, if you've been following me for a while, you know my keys are pretty chunky. I've got two key fobs on there. Right, and then I've got a Sharpie and some reusable straws. And I'm just going to put that in the mesh pocket back there, so it'll actually just lay down in the mesh pocket back there. And then I'm going to get gum, chapstick, and hand sanitizer, and I'm going to put it in this pocket right here. And then I have my portable charger, my earbuds, and a cord for charging in one of the small B set pieces. And this is another Chromatics from their Chromatics 3.0 line, and this is called Water. And that's going to go in there, here, and then. And that zips up all nice and neat in there, and that's just going to go in my mommy pocket. Look how beautiful water and lilac go together. Oh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. All right, moving on. Let's put my phone in the tech pocket. So the tech pocket is really nice because it is lined, so I don't have to worry about my phone getting scratched up in there. And this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and there's tons of room. Like you can see, there's tons of room in there still. So I could fit other stuff in there. I could put my tech stuff in there if I wanted to. My charger. So wallet is gonna go in this top zipper up here. I like it because I have easy access to it, but it's close to my body, so I'm not worried about it getting unzipped and just taken. All right, and then the main compartment, I'm gonna lay this flat. Main compartment in this top flap, I'm gonna unzip that big mesh pocket. I'm gonna put my son's clothes in there, and these are size 6-7 shorts and a shirt. That goes in there. That'll fold up so nicely. And then I have an Orchid Hearts pouch, and I'm gonna put that up here for easy access, and it stays really nice and tucked in those adjustable straps. So that's gonna stay there. And then I have a Medi pouch in, again, water from the Chromatics 3.0 line. And this is the medium part of the medium piece of the B set. So I have my medicine, hair ties, bobby pins, lotion, sun stick, hairbrush, trimmers, eye drops, and then some upset tummy stuff, and then my headache pinch relief. And that all fits nicely in there. So we're actually just gonna put this right on top of, right by the wipes. All right, and then I'm gonna put that aside. And then I have my Be Cool for when the kids are gonna need snacks. This is Toki Market. It just released, actually today as I'm filming this. And this is a Be Cool, and it is insulated. So I'm gonna put an ice pack in there. It's a square ice pack. It's gonna go in the back. I have a Whiskware. That's fully, all the components in there with the lid. That's gonna get tucked in there. And then I have a water bottle, a thermos water bottle. And then I have applesauce. Just gonna tuck that in there. 2 bars. And then gummies and a little box of raisins. And that's all gonna go in there. And I love Lilac and Toki Market. They pair so nicely together. Actually, everything that I have in here just pairs beautifully together. And I will leave pictures in my blog post on comparisons of print color that I have. So I'm just gonna put my Be Cool right there in the front. And that's it. Packed up for a day of fun. And I love it. It's so comfortable to wear. Love, love, love this bag. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for all the new releases and first looks. And yeah, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.